Austria is a landlocked country located in Central Europe. Austria has a rich cultural heritage and has been home to many famous composers, including Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart and Ludwig van Beethoven. Vienna, the capital, is often referred to as the city of music due to its historical significance in the world of classical music. Austria is known for its stunning Alpine scenery, historic cities, and cultural attractions. Tourists often visit places like Vienna, Salzburg, Innsbruck, and the Austrian Alps for skiing and hiking. Austrian cuisine is diverse, hearty, and influenced by the country's history and regional variations. Sachertorte, Wiener Schnitzel, Apfelstolf, Goulash, Kaisermann, Liptauer, Austrian wines. Austria is known for its picturesque landscapes, historical sites, and contributions to art and music. The country has a high standard of living and is considered a stable and prosperous nation in Europe. Austria is a fantastic destination for tourism, offering a blend of rich history, stunning landscapes, cultural treasures, and delicious cuisine.